Hello everyone, this is part 2 of the dash restoration. I have the piece fit in here. It really fits very nice. The body lines line up perfectly. This side might need a little bit of massaging, but honestly once this side is once it all starts to get welded in, everything's gonna line up with it. And I got the holes evened out on the side, on both sides. So I just need to make those plugs and it can all be welded in. And I'm not going to be able to weld it in myself, mostly because I don't have my flux core welder anymore, and I didn't want to use it. I didn't really want to use it anyway, because if y'all hadn't seen my video, I have a MIG welder now. Go check out the video for that. I show a lot of the features on that. But I'm going to get these plugs made for the end and right there. Yeah, I'm gonna, well, I guess I could leave that one since I do actually need another one. Since I have 2 switches that I need to hook up, I could actually leave that one. Yeah, I'm just gonna have these outer ones welded up, and this one right there is gonna stay, and that one's gonna stay. And a friend of mine's actually gonna be welding this in for me, and once I get it back, I'll be able to grind the welds down and just shoot some paint over it until I'm ready to do the body work on it. But there it is, and I'll see y'all when this is welded up. Well, it's now Wednesday. I just picked up the dash from my friend, and he also gave me a couple of goodies that I want to show you. But let's look at the dash. Well, here it is. This is the big piece right here, and my friend actually welded from the back side, so I wouldn't have too much work to do on the outside right here. I still have a little bit of work to do. I probably need to get some hammers and dollies, so a little body hammer set, so I can reshape some of this stuff a little bit. But it's very good. It's a lot better looking than what I would have ever been able to get it to look. And this is still rough, so I still need to do some work to it. I'm gonna put some Bondo on this to get it looking better after I hit it a little bit with some of that those body hammers, and I got some sanding disc that I can use to grind down a couple of spots if I have to. But I did go ahead and decide to plug this hole right here. I'm just going to move it somewhere like right next to that one, or up underneath it or something, or somewhere else. There's that side right there. Looks good. I'm very happy with it. And I picked up a couple of things for the welder when I'm trying to get supplies together to actually wire this thing in. There's a weatherproof cover and the actual plug for it. So gathering supplies for that. Even once I get it wired in, I won't be able to use it right away because I'm gonna have to save up some money for a bottle of argon, and I think it's whatever the shielding gas mix is. I'm not sure what that is, and I have to get some tips for it. Not bad. I don't think they're too expensive. But here's the goodies that my friend was able to give me. I didn't have any Bondo, and he had an abundance of it, and he gave me a gallon, and some glazing putty with hardener, and some fiber reinforced Bondo, which is very cool. And he said I could use the hardener for this one in this, so definitely appreciate that. I actually didn't have any Bondo, so that's definitely appreciated. Thank you very much. Well, there it is. There's part 2 of the dash restoration. Sorry y'all didn't get to see me weld. I was kind of hoping that I'm going to have some shots of me welding in this video, but I was able to get a real awesome deal on that welder right there, and I could not pass it up. And part of the trade was my old flux core welder, which I really didn't want anyway. But if you liked the video, like, comment, and subscribe. And if keep a watch out on my future videos. And I wanted to remind everyone that I'm going to be at the Samstown Casino at the end of September for the Delta River Cruise In Car Show, September 20th through 22nd. So if you're in the area or can come this way, I would love to meet you. I'm going to have my Charger and the truck at that show this year, rain or shine. So would love to see you there. Come down. I will put a link in the description to a little more information on the car show if you wanted to enter. And there it is, and I'll see y'all later.